Introducing the new Buzzaround Carry-on TSA Fold Flat Mobility Travel Scooter. This super portable, sporty, four-wheel mobility scooter offers everything you need for a great vacation. The Carryon TSA battery, compared to the original GB120 model, meets all the requirements for the Transportation Security Administration. The Carryon TSA comes with two travel-friendly TSA-approved batteries, giving you a travel range of up to 15 miles. Both travel batteries will come with a protective fireproof case. The Carryon TSA will also come with its padded travel bag for the scooter and one for the seat. The Carryon TSA is designed for minimal storage, folding to only 12 inches without the seat. The main features are front and rear LED lights, 4-inch ground clearance, flip-up armrests, an adjustable tiller, and a USB charging port on batteries to help keep your cell phone and other electronics charged. Compared to competitors that fold up, the Carryon TSA allows the seat and battery to be removed very quickly and leverage to be used for loading the unit and unloading. Fold-up scooters are heavy to lift, but the design of the Carryon TSA using leverage to load or unload out of a vehicle makes the unit feel much lighter.